poussière of Ohio, wearing his beautiful chapeau, but who's this caballero? The emperor of the Far West. When he degains his revolver, he can shoot a fly d'un seul geste. In the desert, there is person, never a coup de téléphone. He's a cowboy, poor and lonesome. Il a pas peur de personne. Pas surtout des Dalton. Il a pas peur de personne.
Easy there, boy. I'm trying to sew.
Even he can't mend a shirt while driving.
Hey! Ah!
It's safe to come out now, sir.
That was well done, boy.
Did you call me boy? That's what I call my horse.
I know, but I suppose it's better than being called girl.
Oh, zilch! This is for you. Don't spend it all in one place.
Toss it up.
That was a perfectly good dollar.
Are you injured, Snookums?
I'm fine, honey pie.
Can I step outside? It's awfully hot in here.
Of course. Come on out. Everything's under control. Except for this person who shoots at money.
You're a naughty man, Snookums. You promised me you'd get air conditioning.
Allow me to introduce my bride, Tallulah. Honey pie, this fellow saved us from the attack, and it didn't cost me a dime. By the way, I don't even know your name.
It's Luke. Lucky Luke.
The most famous gunslinger in the Wild West? I am known as the Commodore.
The most famous railway tycoon in the East? The richest man in America?
Oh, I'm not sure you're right there. Sometimes it's me, sometimes it's that upstart Rockefeller. Our fates and our fortunes lie in the hands of the inscrutable Dow Jones.
I know lots of guys named Jones, but I never heard of him.
The train's about to pull out. All aboard!
Would the famous Lucky Luke do me the honor of coming along?
If it's all right with the lady.
Oh, sure. This trip is so boring. Apart from a little attack now and then, nothing ever happens.
I hope he says yes. I don't ride on trains nearly enough.
I accept.
Wonderful! Zilch!
At your service. I'll show you to your compartment, sir.
That Zilch is pretty talented.
Yes, indeed. I bought out his contract from a circus where he was wasting his gifts as a quick change artist. One lump of sugar or none.
Oh, don't be such a cheapskate, Snookums.
Tell me, why are you two traveling through this dangerous territory?
We're on our honeymoon. You see, Tallulah has always had a hankering to visit the Wild West.
I'd have preferred Paris, but Snookums had some business to do here, and with him, business always comes first.
Another few feet, and we'd have gone off the tracks.
Someone's definitely out to get you, Commodore.
Snookums, are we going to be staying here long? Because all this sunshine's giving me a dreadful headache.
Why don't you climb back into the car and draw the curtains, honey pie?
All right.
Oh, this sunshine's giving me a dreadful headache.
I'm on my second marriage, and you know what? It doesn't get any easier as the years go by. Let's get rolling.
I must confess, this is the first time my wife and I have ever ventured outside New York City.
How lucky you are. My master's always on the move. Oh, yes, and here he comes now.
Oh, we're traveling in style, Jolly.
Would the gentleman care for a drink?
No thanks, Zilch. Pretend I'm not even here. Oh, I gotta tell you, Zilch, you're amazing.
Thank you. I spent 9 glorious seasons with the Dingling Brothers Circus before leaving show business to join the Commodore.
I hope he pays you well.
Oh, he doesn't pay me, sir. He's made me his partner. I own a 49% share in a Jamaican ice fishing enterprise, the jewel in his financial crown.
Zilch!
You'll have to excuse me, sir, but a Commodore's calling. It's time for his daily workout.
Go easy on me, will you, Zilch? I'm feeling somewhat frail today.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. You're out! I win! As usual, who do we adore? This is where you chime in, the Commodore.
I can see how you might have some enemies.
You don't build a railroad empire that stretches from New York to Chicago by playing Mr. Nice Guy. I am a corporate warrior. I have fire in my belly.
Yeah, I can feel the hot air from here. Maybe it was a mistake coming to this untamed land without protection.
What do you mean without protection? I have zilch.
Uh-oh. Huh?
Stoke the firebuster! We need more speed!
These babies have power, but their brakes are hopeless.
You were magnificent, boy. How would you like to be my partner? Exporting sand to the Sahara. I'd let you in on the ground floor.
I saw a masked horseman. Know who it might be?
A masked horseman, eh? No, I don't know anyone like that. I hope you'll consider my proposition, the tycoon and the gunslinger. Together we'll be unbeatable.
Freshly roasted wild buffalo.
And it didn't cost a dime. Yeah. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to take a nap.
Did you sigh because you're worried about another attack?
No, I sighed because I was thinking about my former career. You see, I was a vaudeville actress before I gave it all up to get married.
Oh, so you used to be a showgirl, huh?
Dead Bug Junction, 5 minutes.
Put on a nice smile for the locals, honey pie.
Hey, it's Buster! Don't you work the Yuma Sacramento line?
Not anymore. Now I drive the Commodore's private train.
The Commodore? Welcome, dear sir. It's an honor to have America's greatest tycoon in my humble station.
What on earth's gotten into her?
This train station is absolutely adorable. It's just like the toy station my daddy made for me when I was a little girl. None of my other toys could even compare to it.
Would you like me to buy this place for you, my honey pie?
I want it, I want it, I want it, I want it, I want it!
How would you like to be my partner? It's the opportunity of a lifetime.
I was very convincing, wasn't I?
Good citizens of Dead Bug Junction. As a honeymoon gift to my wife, I've just bought your train station. Naturally, I'll renovate the place so there'll be work for all of you. I'm leaving management of the job to my new partner.
He's
your
given me
former station master,
49%
whose
of a
obviously
snowshoe
brilliant
outlet in
business instincts will
Tahiti.
bring
Not
this
bad,
town
huh?
to new levels of prosperity. And now you're all invited to have a drink. A free drink.
That guy you were talking to, who was he, Zilch?
Oh, just another one of the Commodore's fervent admirers. You wouldn't believe how many questions they ask about him.
I'll let you pay for this round, partner. So it's agreed. During renovations, the station will be closed. I don't want those dirty trains soiling the fresh paint.
Attention, passengers! We're about to leave. All aboard!
That makes 12. Zilch, who do we adore?
The Commodore!
Would you mind stopping the train, Commodore?
Huh? Don't tell me you want to leave us.
A little fresh air would do me and my horse some good. It would also give me a chance to see what that masked horseman's up to.
I trust your instincts, Luke. Zilch, stop the train.
We're stopping in 20 minutes to fill the boiler at Watercress Point. Mr. Luke
Can get us there. Meanwhile, tea is served.
Does that get on your nerves after a while?
This stuff's molasses. I don't get it. You didn't even reload.
Sure I did. Faster than my shadow.
What is it? What's happened this time?
Sabotage. Whoever did this knew we were coming.
Another couple of gallons and things would have been awful sticky.
Mr. Luke, your steed is ready, sir.
I'll ride ahead and keep an eye out.
Say, Luke, can I ask you a question? I don't pay you and you aren't my partner, so why are you doing this?
For the satisfaction, I guess. Get out, Johnny!
A famous man who doesn't care about money, Zilch. Have you ever seen such a thing?
Not at all, sir. I haven't. And between us, I find him scary.
For the satisfaction, that's a good one. He just likes gunfire.
I knew it.
Yeah, sure, he always says that. You're welcome, no need to help. It might have been fun for a while, but now it's annoying.
Oh, Snookums, there's a sickly sweet smell in the air. Where's it coming from?
The locomotive, honey pie.
This train station is adorable. It's just like the one my daddy made me.
Would you like me to buy the place for you, honey pie?
I want it, I want it, I want it, I want it, I want it!
As a gift to my wife, I've just bought your train station. Ain't that the darndest thing?
You seem to like stations.
Oh, not as much as Snookums likes giving them to me. He says they'll be like a pretty string of pearls on the map from Chicago to San Francisco.
Where are you going there, Zilch?
To buy vegetables, sir. I thought I'd cook the leftover buffalo in a stew.
Don't forget to buy spicy peppers for that stew, Zilch, because I like it hot.
No, I won't forget, madam.
Pitfall Pass, 4:31 p.m. I take it, sir, that you are fond of cream corn?
You're not leaving us, are you, boy?
I'll meet you down the line. I want to know why you're buying up all these stations.
He gave me a 49% of his banana plantation in Antarctica.
I told you he likes gunfire.
Looks like you lose, Junior.
No fair, you had help, Daddy.
Right, and it didn't cost me a dime. Whereas I'll bet you paid Zilch a high price to betray me.
49% of your boating club in the Gobi Desert.
What's going on here?
This is my son, Junior. One day he'll take over my empire. Since trickery is the key to business success, I decided to check Junior's skills by challenging him to stop my train. So this honeymoon was actually a test.
Yeah, a test of my patience.
And along the way, I discovered that my loyal servant was in fact a greedy, deceitful snake who used treachery to line his pockets.
I was following your example, sir.
I know, and I'm proud of you, Zilch.
Why, thank you, Commodore.
As for you, son, you're nearly ready to take my place. I love that stunt with the molasses in the water tower.
Daddy, I hate to break it to you, but the truth is, I don't want to take your place. I love this wild, carefree cowboy life.
Then go, my son. All roads lead to Wall Street. I was like that once.
I still don't understand why you're buying stations.
I'll get every train station from Chicago to San Francisco, then I'll close them all, claiming it's for renovations.
And the point of that is?
To shut down traffic on the line, which belongs to the Trans-Pacific Railroad. As a result, its share price will collapse.
And that's a good thing.
Of course, because then I'll buy the shares and control America's railroads from coast to coast. Isn't that a brilliant plan?
Brilliant maybe, but legal? I doubt it.
What word did he use, Zilch?
Legal, Commodore. A word we use as little as possible.
Are those towering mountains legal? Does that majestic canyon obey any statute? Does the hawk consult a lawyer before devouring some hapless rabbit? I respect only one law, the law of the jungle.
And that's why we adore the Commodore. Don't look at me. I had nothing to do with this one.
I've figured out your little plan, Commodore. I want those stations or the bridge comes down.
You're not getting my stations, Bull. You're nothing but a low-down, sneaky, conniving cheater.
Please try to avoid any sudden movements.
Poor Cornelius, you always were a sore loser.
Who is that guy?
Pitbull, president of the Trans-Pacific Railroad and the Commodore's sworn enemy.
The stations or the bridge, Cornelius. I'm giving you a count of 3.
Those stations are mine.
1, 2...
That does it! I'm sick and tired of your ridiculous shenanigans. Those stations aren't yours, they're mine. I can do whatever I want with them. Mr. Bull, I think we can settle this to our mutual satisfaction.
Yes, indeed, little lady. I'm sure we can.
No, Tallulah, don't do it!
Oh, Snuggles!
Zilch, hurry. The horses.
Zilch, please don't abandon me.
We're gonna have to jump, Commodore.
But I don't know how to swim.
Well, here's your chance to learn.
Maybe it's time to retire. I'm not the tycoon I used to be.
Your brilliant plan turned out to be all wet.
Please don't talk that way to the Commodore. Even a ruthless schemer can have a bad day.
Snuggles! Thank heavens you're alive!
Oh, honey pie. I never realized how much I cared about you until I thought that I'd lost you.
I have a confession to make. I never really liked those stations, and I'm happy I sold them.
You did the right thing.
Let's go home to New York and be together in our little empire.
My partner, Blundering Beaver, will take us home.
In return for 49% of a seaside resort in outer Mongolia.
Can we give you a lift, Luke? That's funny. Where'd he go?
I'm a poor lonesome cowboy